I don't think it sounds that bad. But...
We have the element of surprise here.
Dude, it sounds so crunchy, bro. Why does it sound crunchy like that?
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Alright, let's play this tactically. Where'd you go? Alright, let's play this tactically.
Let's tactically assault these kids.
I'm down.
I'm coming.
I'm on the other side of the bus. Like, I'm on the front. Don't expose yourself.
What? What the fuck?
Okay. He's down. He's dead. I shot him in the head.
Alright, we good to go?
What's up?
Nope, we're not good to go. Alright, I think we got him now. Push up to the front entrance.
Anyone at bomb site, we will try to arrest.
Alright. I'll wait for you. Don't shoot yet. Alright. Ready?
Yep.
Right.
Where you at? Basement! He's dead. He's dead.
Stay close.
He's dead.
Alright.
I would peek this one.
Do you want to breach that? And I'll try to rush you, buddy.
Hold on, hold on. Ow. There's one at the bottom of the stairs. One at the bottom of the stairs. Behind you!
Stay close.
Target secure. Keep your heads
He's
up.
a pretty blind man. Pretty blind. Alright, we good.
You want to breach this, or?
What's up, mother shuckers?
Ow. Alright, here.
Alright. Here, can you breach it? Clear.
Right.
Yeah, I got this one. Clear on my end.
Clear on their end.
Alright. Should we check that room far left?
We'll go to this one first. That's closest.
The bomb is in that office room. The bomb is in the office room.
Alright, I'm coming. Can you do it by yourself, or do you need someone to tell you the colors?
I've never done a bomb before. Gonna be real honest with you.
Alright, don't get close to it yet. I'll do it. I'll try to.
I know how the motion sensing stuff works. Up here.
There is a way that you can do it by yourself, but I'm not really sure, so.
Hold on, I'm gonna... There's
frag.
another one in there. Another one.
That was a horrible throw. They're both dead. Or, I got 2 down.
Alright, we're clearing here. Let's get this bomb done.
Alright.
Alright, let's go.
Stay close.
Alright, you doing it or I am?
Tell me the colors.
Purple. Blue.
Oh crap.
Green. Blue.
Oh crap. Oh crap.
Green. Yellow. 14. 10.